Everything you need to know about the Apelles palette, part 5 of 30. Today I'm just doing a quick demo to show where these main color mixtures go. In the last video I mixed these colors. So I'm starting out with this warm brown shadow color. This is very useful for creating a base and getting your shadows in place. This warm creamy mixture is really useful for the light side, particularly in the warmer areas. If you're going to use that warmer mixture, you could look at places like the cheeks, the nose, the mouth, perhaps the eyes. And if you add a little bit more white, that's going to be more like the areas in the forehead or in the highlights. You could also add more yellow as well as you get into those lighter areas. This mixture over here is an even warmer shadow side color, and I can mix this with the neutral gray. And that's just going to cool it down a little bit. It's going to neutralize it. So then it's a little bit more subtle. So then I can use this for the base of the lights in the shadow side, and that's going to serve really well. Then I'll just cut things out a little bit more here using the darker brown. That's just to give a better contour so I can show how these colors look with some contrast. That color is also useful for your darker shadows, the shadow under the nose, for example, or the mouth, maybe around the eyes. And I'm using it here for some of the beard as well, so I can start to give some volume to the beard and the rest of the face. Finally, for the highlights, you just add more white to that base mixture, either pure white going into the creamy color, or you can even add a little bit more yellow if you want it to be a little bit more vibrant. And that wasn't quite enough, so I'll just go in with my brush to make some more bold impasto. And these are pretty typical places where it's going to stand out, like the forehead, the cheekbone, the nose. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next part.